Hi guys, I know it's not Friday, but this is another giveaway. I was going through some old files, tidying things up, and I found this PDF that I haven't even used. I made it a while ago, but it is for 2025. It's an elegant 6x9 diary, and I thought I might as well give it away. So that's why I'm posting it now, so you've got more time to make sales, because people will buy them in January. And even if you're only making $1 a book, it's not bad. You can price it quite low because there's a very short selling window left, really. You've got probably to the end of the month and maybe a little bit of February, and then most people will have their planners and diaries already sorted. So you're getting this for free. There's been a few comments on a couple of videos saying that the file isn't free. It is free. You've got to watch the video till the end. This video isn't going to be long. Watch it till the end. I'll tell you what the code is. I'll spell it out for you, and I will put it in one of the corners in text. So you'll not miss it. Don't worry. You will get it for free, just in exchange for a little bit of your time. And this is the PDF you will get. Remember, watch the vid till the end, till the very end. Don't skip forward. So this is the file you'll get. It's a 6x9 file without bleed. Comes in at 107 pages, yeah, 107 pages. And it's a double page weekly view. I'll show you that in a second when we get into the meat of the planner. Comes with this plain title page. Remember, if you've got a PDF editor, if you've got Affinity, you can open PDFs in Affinity Publisher, and you can probably do it in InDesign and other things. You can make this as fancy as you want. You can add, I imagine, some fancy plant silhouettes, like the leaves and things like that, would look pretty nice around there. You can change it to your heart's content, basically. You can even change the fonts and things like that if you can edit the PDFs. Affinity Publisher is great for things like that. It's the one I use. I've tried it in InDesign, kind of get away with it. So that was a full year subscription of Creative Cloud, up the wazoo or down the wazoo, whichever way the wazoo flows. So you get title page. You also get a repeating 2-page planner like this. So you get Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday on the first page, Thursday, Friday, and because the weekend you don't do much on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday are halved. That's fine. You'll recognise that as a standard layout for a lot of smaller diaries. There's also a notes section on the top of the second page. So that's your first page, second, third, and then it just keeps on going and going and going all the way through the months. January to February, when the double week slips over. Often indeed flips over. Goes all the way through. I'm not going to show you all of it because you'll get bored. I just want to show you that all of the dates are correct. So January the 1st was a Wednesday. It's now the 12th, which is Sunday. Let's have a look. Yep, 12th is a Sunday. That's correct. So all these dates are correct. It's all done by mail merge. I've done loads of videos on how to use mail. It's not called mail merge anymore, it's called data merge. Loads of videos on how you do data merge. I've even given away files with all of the information on you need to create all these planners. I haven't done one. In fact, I think I've got 2025 out, to be honest, in the Gumroad shop. Have a look. If you want it, leave a comment and I'll upload it for free. I'll not even make you watch a video, or not a long one anyway. And pretty soon I'm going to be starting my academic planners, so I might even give you the Excel file for that. It's just an Excel file with all the numbers in. It's a bit more complicated than that. I don't want to sell myself short. It took a lot of sorting out originally, but now runs itself. So that's enough waffling on, I think, now. I've probably exhausted the amount of time I can make you listen to me talk crap. So the code for this is going to be Elegant D, all one word, ELEGANT D, Elegant D for Elegant Diary. People might guess it was just elegant. So ELEGANTD, Elegant D. It'll appear in the bottom left hand of the screen, round about now. I'll also link, obviously, to the Gumroad site in the link below. I'll attach this to a playlist called Freebies. In that freebie playlist, there are loads of files. I'm going to be adding files there all the time. So keep on refreshing it, keep on watching them, and you'll boost your KDP library by, I don't want to say hundreds of books, but there might be hundreds of books by the time I finish. The more books you have, the more books you'll sell. It really is that simple. And that's my goal for this week. It's my goal for this year. I'm going to try and upload minimum a book a week. Now, I know I'm already 2 weeks late and I haven't uploaded any. That's not the point. I'm going to try and do 52 books this year. Different books as well, not just different covers. I might get lazy though and just do different covers. Anyway, right, enough. Thanks for watching. Grab this file, get it out right now. Because times are slipping away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.